The Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Red-Eye, a name that sends shivers down the spines of lesser cars. This beast is not just a car, it's a statement, a declaration of power and dominance on the asphalt jungle. With its menacing presence and thunderous roar, it commands respect and fear. The Hellcat Red-Eye is a true predator, always ready to pounce. Under the hood lies a 6.2-litre supercharged Hemi 5.8 engine. This powerhouse is the heart of the beast, pumping out raw, unadulterated power. With 797 horsepower, it roars to be unleashed, ready to dominate any track it sets its tires on. This is not just speed, it's a symphony of power and performance. This is a car built for one thing: domination. It doesn't just race, it conquers, leaving a trail of awe and admiration in its wake. Its challenger, the Mercedes AMG GT Black Series. A masterpiece of German engineering, this car is no slouch. Every curve, every line, every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection. This is precision engineering at its finest. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8. This engine is a marvel of modern engineering, delivering power with finesse. With 720 horsepower, it waits to pounce, ready to unleash its fury on the track. This is not just a car, it's a precision instrument. This beast is here to prove a point. Precision beats brute force. In the battle of the asphalt jungle, only the best will prevail. The drivers, strapped into their cockpits, adjust their helmets. Every breath a countdown. Tension hangs in the air, thick and heavy. The roar of the crowd is a distant hum. They are locked in, focused on the battle ahead. The air crackles with anticipation. Mechanics scurry around the cars, making final adjustments. Flags wave, signaling the start is near. The drivers exchange glances, a silent acknowledgement of the challenge, a mutual respect before the storm. The starting lights flash, engines roar, tires scream. The Dodge, a raging bull, surges forward. It takes the early lead. The Mercedes, a graceful panther, follows closely behind, biding its time, the first corner, a blur of speed and precision. The Dodge, relying on raw power, muscles its way through. The Mercedes, nimble and agile, hugs the apex, closing the gap. Section 4, Roar of the Engines, Symphony of Speed. The anticipation is palpable as the engines roar to life, each one a symphony of power and precision. The starting line is a cauldron of energy, ready to explode into a frenzy of speed. Lap after lap, the battle rages on, each driver pushing the limits, testing the very edge of their skill and their machine's capabilities. The track becomes a battlefield where only the fastest and the most daring can hope to prevail. The Dodge, a force of nature, fights to maintain its lead. Its driver, a master of the craft, navigates the twists and turns with surgical precision, always seeking the perfect line. Its thunderous engine note reverberates across the track, a primal scream that speaks of raw power and unyielding determination. The exhaust flames flicker like the breath of a dragon, adding to the spectacle. The Mercedes, a study in controlled aggression, keeps the pressure on. Its driver, calm and collected, waits for the perfect moment to strike, always in the shadow of the Dodge, never letting it out of sight. Its turbocharger singing a high-pitched whine, a sound that promises speed and precision. The Mercedes is a predator, sleek and efficient, always ready to pounce. The crowd roars as the Mercedes, with a burst of speed, makes its move. The energy in the stands is electric, each spectator on the edge of their seat, eyes glued to the unfolding drama. Overtakes the Dodge on the outside of a turn. It's a daring maneuver executed with flawless precision. The Mercedes surges ahead, its driver's skill and timing impeccable. But the Dodge fights back, reclaiming the lead on the next straight. It's a relentless battle, each car pushing the other to the limit, neither willing to concede an inch. It's a duel in the sun. The heat, the speed, the noise, all combine to create a spectacle that is as thrilling as it is intense. The sun blazes down, casting long shadows and adding to the drama, a testament to speed, skill, and engineering. Each driver, each car, a marvel of modern technology and human ingenuity. This is more than a race. It's a showcase of what is possible when man and machine come together in perfect harmony. Section 5, in the pit, where seconds feel like hours, pit stops become pivotal. A ballet of speed and precision, every second counts. Tires are changed, fuel is added, and the drivers wait, hearts pounding for the signal to rejoin the race. The Dodge emerges from the pits first, but the Mercedes is right on its tail. The gap is now down to a hair's breadth. The tension is almost unbearable. Who will crack under pressure? Section 6, Victory, a celebration of speed and sportsmanship. The final lap, the checkered flag waves. The tension is palpable as the cars speed towards the finish line. Engines roaring, tires screeching. The crowd holds its breath, eyes glued to the track. It's a photo finish. Both cars cross the line almost simultaneously. The precision and timing are impeccable, a testament to the skill of the drivers and the engineering of the machines. The excitement is electric, the outcome uncertain. The crowd erupts, unsure who has won. Cheers and gasps fill the air, a cacophony of emotions. Fans wave flags and banners, celebrating the sheer thrill of the race. The atmosphere is charged with anticipation. After an agonizing wait, the results are in. The tension builds as race officials deliberate, reviewing footage and data. The crowd waits in suspense, every second feeling like an eternity. The Mercedes, by a fraction of a second, is victorious. The announcement sends a wave of jubilation through the Mercedes team and their supporters. The car, a marvel of engineering, has proven its mettle. But there are no hard feelings. The competitors, though fierce on the track, show mutual respect and admiration. They understand the dedication and effort it takes to compete at this level. The drivers, exhausted but exhilarated, share a handshake. It's a moment of sportsmanship, a recognition of each other's skill and determination. They have pushed each other to the limit, a hard-fought battle, a display of skill and sportsmanship. The race was a true test of endurance, strategy and precision. Each driver gave their all, leaving nothing on the track. The roar of the crowd washes over them, a symphony of appreciation for the spectacle they just witnessed. The fans, the lifeblood of the sport, celebrate the triumphs and the efforts of all the competitors. It's a day to remember, a celebration of speed, skill and sportsmanship.